We're gonna break down what we're doing to our new 2024 Ranger Raptor. We're gonna beef up the steering. All right, you're gonna be putting the Ford Performance Rack in there with the billet housing from 74 weld. The tie rods that are on there, they're basically little pieces of shit. So we're gonna be replacing them with these heavy duty Heim joint steering links from Foutz. Foutz upper control arms, really beautiful billet links from Foutz. 2-inch perch collars from Foutz. This is gonna allow us to level out the front of the truck. And I don't know why Ford did this, but they did not double shear the upper control arm mount. Dumb, all right? This is the double shear kit from Solo Motorsports. We'll take a better look at it once it's in. The guys have finished installing all the badass parts on here. I can't wait to get this thing out to the Texas Raptor run tomorrow.
A few days later, with Tony from Trail Cartel.
Put it down. Show me the visor.
You want to see the visor?
No.
This is like this. No.
Damn, this thing's freaking full. This thing sounds so freaking good. Oop. That'll bust out.